Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and look at this, something a little bit different. This is the ECO 1. This is the Ghostbuster car, and like in the movie, right now here at the Dodge Brothers mechanic right next door to our shop, they are changing the motor on it, and there it is. Look at this. Let's go around it real quick. Let's go back. It's very crowded, and it's exactly like in the movie what they're doing in the little barn. They're doing here in a little shop.
You went with station wagon?
It's the only one that had an engine.
So they're gonna put the 350 Chevy, after they fix it, back in the ECO 1, and then we can see it on the street again. It's usually parked outside of the shop over here, so they're working on it for a while. It's a little bit small and hard to move, but you can actually see it pretty clear, and it's really cool. No, the light is still off. Look what we got here.